Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the Lop Sao from Wing Chun. Okay, so you are in here in the traditional old school position. Okay, one Tan Sao and then turn your hand and then Lop Sao. Lop Sao is like grabbing or pulling your opponent's hand. Okay, so it's your one and then two, pull and then come back. So Tan Sao and then Lop Sao and then come back. Now I'm showing you. Okay, the drill. Okay, so the punch is coming. So here is Tan Sao. After Tan Sao, you can see pull your opponent. So this is Lop Sao. So here is the reference point. Okay, if there is a reference point, you can see pull. Now reference point from that side. Okay, now Lop Sao. Lop Sao is pulling, means you are giving jerk to your opponent while pulling. Okay, so the punch is coming one and then two, jerk. Okay, now other punch. That's it. Now other punch, one and then two. So Tan Sao and then Lop Sao, Tan Sao and Lop Sao. You can go direct also Lop Sao, but you need more practice in this. So one, the punch is coming, one and then two. So you can go like you are in a fighting position in practical. So the punch is coming, so you can hold the hand with Lop Sao immediately. Okay, so you can practice like this, the drill, Tan Sao, Lop Sao, Tan Sao and Lop Sao. Thank you so much for watching.